I caught my girlfriend trying to get rid of my car.
Yes, they're definitely gonna want this one.
What the? Why is she taking pictures of my car? Who gonna want? Hey, Rook, why are you taking pictures of my car? And who's gonna want what?
What are you talking about?
What are you doing, bro?
Raffling off your car.
Raffling what?
Yes, raffling your car, and not only that, they have a chance
Bruh,
to win $5,000.
whose money is that? This
yours. All you have to do is click on these 3 dots on the right-hand corner. Click on description. Click where it says enter for a chance to win. Then you click on enter now, and then you buy your tickets, and good luck, you guys.